This is an art pencil holder from Surblue, and you can see that it rolls so you can have your pencils all displayed out very professionally in a beautiful, nice little canvas. I just tied this into a nice little bow. It's from Surblue. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate that. I love my partnership with them. They're a great company, by the way. So it's pretty cool. So you just basically, you can put all of your pencils. I've just got some basic charcoals. Now my daughter is gonna freak out because she's got all the colors. You can put up to 72 pencils in this whole entire thing. And then it just rolls up super nice and easy and ties together, and you've got everything all safe and secure. And yeah, you've got your pencils and your colors on display. Now you can also use this for paint brushes. You could use it to display crayons or different colors and things like that. So you don't have to just use it for pencils, but it is a great, really fun pencil case. So and the design is really cute. This has got it looks like old Pevy. Ooh, the Eiffel Tower. Thank you again, Surblue.